Okay, in this lecture we're going to look at how we can use Excel to test for one or more conditions in the same formula. Now, to combine two test conditions in Excel, you use what is called the AND operator. And to test for different test conditions in Microsoft Excel, you use what is called the OR operator. Now, this isn't the same as combining one if statement within another if statement. In other words, nested if statements. That's slightly different, and although you do end up testing different test conditions, for example, it does rely on the first test condition to have an outcome, and then the second test condition gets executed based on the first test condition's outcome. So we're not going to be looking at that in this lecture, but rather how to test for one or more conditions in the same statement. In other words, in the same test part of the if then else statement. Okay, so let's look at one example using the AND operator. Okay, so this example uses the AND operator. Right, so here we've got a table of staff member names, as well as two regions, North and South, and the amount of sales that they have brought in each respective region. Now, we're going to answer the question, in order to give staff their bonuses, they must have achieved sales of over £4,000 in the North and over £5,000 in the South. How can we work out the bonus? So that's our question. So we have to write a formula which can address all of this here. So let's break it down a bit. In essence, we are looking at two tests, both of which must be true. So what are our two tests? Well, the question specifies that they must have achieved sales of over £4,000 in the North and over £5,000 in the South. So if we distill this bit here into two separate statements, we get this. A staff member needs to have sales of over £4,000 in the region. That must be true. The next statement, a staff member needs to have sales of over £5,000 in the South region. That also must be true. So to get their bonus, both of these need to be true. So both of these outcomes. So to do this, we basically use what's known as the AND operator. And the syntax is really simple. It's basically AND, open bracket. We put our first test and then our second test and so forth. Now in this case, we've only got two tests. So we're only going to do two parameters for this AND function. Okay, so as you can see, I've already typed out the formula here, and we're using our well-known function now, formula text, to display what I've typed here, just for ease of use. So what we're going to do is basically recreate the formula for the rest of the entries here. But before that, we're just going to overview what we've typed. So you can see here, we've got our if statement, and we've got our open bracket. Now, this is the bit where you put your test in an if then else statement. So this is where we have to insert our AND function. Now our test bit here for the AND function are two elements. The first is testing for whether this cell is greater than 4,000, and the second test is whether this cell here is greater than 5,000. So note, we're actually now using quite a lot of things that we've learned already. So we're using if then else statements, we're using logical operators because we're using the greater than symbol here and here. Now note, we're not using greater than or equals to because the question clearly says over £4,000 and over £5,000. So it's the greater than symbol we need. So we're combining a lot of things we've learned already in order to build up more and more complex formulas. And this is what you'll find as you learn more and more, that you'll start to use different parts of Excel knowledge to get your task done. Okay, so once that is true and that is true, then this outcome will get executed, bonus earned. And if either of these outcomes fail, or both of them fail, then this outcome gets executed, bonus not earned. So let's type that in and see how we go when we type it. So we've got the standard if then else opening. Now, you see this bit here, logical test. Now this is where we're going to stick in our AND function. So I'm going to start typing AND, and you can see it's already popped up in our little drop down. Open bracket. Now it's asking for the first test, which is logical 1. So we're going to click here, then use the greater than symbol and type in 4,000. Now to get to the next logical test, you press comma. Right, so we're then going to click here and use the greater than symbol and type in 5,000. Okay, now here's the key critical bit. You need to close the bracket to come out of the AND function, because we finished our 2 tests. We don't want any more. There. And you see that? The tooltip switched back to the if then else label. So now we've done our logical test. We then press comma and type in what happens if our test passes. So in this case, we just write bonus earned. Okay, and if our test doesn't pass, we just write bonus not earned. Okay, we close the brackets and then we press enter. There. So just to do a quick spot check, here we've got bonus not earned. So let's look at John's results. Right, he got £2,000 in the North region. So he failed that part of the test. And he also failed the second part, which is £500 in the South region, because we needed over £5,000 to qualify for the bonus in that part. So the if then else statement, basically, for the AND part, failed John. So he did not get a bonus. Okay, so let's just use our mouse and drag down the formula to the rest of the entries. There. Now, as you can see, it's worked out for each staff member if they earned a bonus or not. So in the case of Sharon, for example, she earned £8,000 in the North region and £6,000 in the South region. So she's earned her bonus. So that's how we use the AND operator to combine tests in Microsoft Excel. And as you can see, it's quite handy because now you can test for one or more criteria. So let's take a look at another example using the OR operator.